There was a shepherd who cared for everyone. He said, church is more than walls we see. It is
Apostle, your words have really encouraged me. Keep learning, Michael. God has a purpose for your life. Why is he becoming so close to the apostle? So, Michael, you and Apostle seem to talk a lot. Yes, he has been helping me spiritually. That's wonderful. Apostle really trusts you. I respect him very much. That's good, brother. Keep growing.
church is more than walls.
You're taking my
we
place.
see. It is love. It is
Apostle, may I speak to you privately? Of course. What's troubling you? It's Michael. What about him? I've heard him saying that some leaders in this church are not genuine. Did you hear him say that yourself? Not exactly. Then be careful, Pastor. Rumor is dangerous. We cannot lead God's people through suspicion. Yes, Apostle. If there is a problem, bring me truth, not rumors. Remember, a lie can destroy what took years to build.
There was a shepherd who cared for everyone. He said, church is more.
Again, everyone is around him.
Pastor Tenda, are you all right?
Yes, I'm fine. Praise God. Apostle, there is another issue concerning Michael. What now? He has been asking questions about church money. Questions are not a crime. But Apostle, people may start thinking transparency is nothing to fear, Pastor Tatenda. Yes, Apostle, ndakunzwai. Michael, come forward. God is doing something powerful through your life. Thank you, Apostle. I only want to serve God.